Today, I'm gonna show you guys a bike check. And today I went dirt riding, so it might be dirty. I got some dino ugly grips, some sexy two-piece bars, Primo tires, yeah, Primo, forks. I think these are the fit forks. Frame. Man, I got the fit frame. Cranks. No idea. Pedals. Some gay Odyssey metal pedals. Hurt so bad. I got a bell seat. I don't know why it's high. But it's high. And I got a... I don't know if you guys can see that. Where is it at? Is that right there? I got that type of brake. And my bike. Oh yeah. I got a humongous sprocket. How about the chapel? Alright then. Peace.